Hey everybody, it's Ignacio from 598 Los Angeles, and in this video I want to go over how you can directly target your cart abandoners from your store. Before we get started though, I want to invite you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be posting videos 2 to 3 times a week going over how you can improve your Facebook ad campaigns, how you can scale your business through paid ads, and overall just improve your digital marketing for your business. As we all know, cart abandoners are a very important issue when you have an online store. You get a lot of traction, a lot of visits to your website. Maybe you're getting individuals who are adding to cart a ton, but you are seeing that your actual conversion rate is pretty bad. Likely that is there is something that is making them lose track of what they're doing from add to cart to the actual purchase process. So you can make adjustments to your website, and you can also make adjustments to your ads. In this case, we're going to go over how you can improve the ads that you're running, as it'll be a little bit of an incentive for the customer to see, oh, I forgot to add this, I forgot to go through with the purchase process for this product. Let me go ahead and finalize that purchase. So we're going to go into the audience section of the business manager, and then we're going to create a new custom audience. Then we're going to go into website, click next, and this is where we actually start building it out. We're going to go and add a new event, and the event is going to be add to cart. Obviously, as a cart banner, the main conversion event that's taking place is an add to cart. For the retention, or how far out it is looking for new people, you want to be careful with this, because you don't want to make this too large where you go 180 days back and individuals 6 months ago who haven't purchased your product and they just added it to cart likely aren't still interested in your product, or simply forgot about it completely. They're no longer interested, they can't afford it, whatever the case may be, it's not on the radar anymore and likely won't interest them anymore. So you want to go with something smaller, but that still packs a punch in terms of how many people you're fitting into that audience. If you're only doing individuals who have added to cart in the last 5 to 10 days, you likely won't have enough information unless you are a very large business that gets thousands and thousands and millions of website visitors. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go with something between 15 to 30. We're going to go with 30 days, as it is an amount that still has the customer thinking about the product and will likely go ahead and purchase. We're going to name this add to cart 30D, and we're going to create audience. So now that the audience is created, we're going to go into our ads manager, and we're going to add the audience to our ad set. So here, we're going to go into the custom audience section. Then we're going to click add to cart, and we're going to add that on. Don't worry about this message here. It is simply telling you that the amount of people who might be in this audience has been reduced after the new iOS 14.5 update, and that's going to be the case with any custom audience you're making. So any remarketing campaign you're running, you will likely see that yellow box. So don't worry about it. It simply means that you like everybody else, is being affected by that update. One thing we do have to make sure we're careful of is to exclude a certain group of people so that you're not retargeting them unnecessarily. When you're adding a product to cart, you are being marked as an add to cart on the business pixel. So in this case, if I add a product to cart, it's showing that I added to cart. But if I went through and made the purchase, I'm still being shown as an add to cart. So what you need to make sure is you're not retargeting those individuals who already purchased, as they don't need to be reminded of a purchase that they already made. So we're going to go and exclude purchasers from that same time frame so that you aren't hitting them with another add to cart reminder. So we're going to go with purchasers, 30 days, and then we're going to click this one. So now we have that set up. Now we have the framework of the audiences and what you need for it. We want to start focusing on the actual ad level. So we're going to go here and we're going to scroll down. When it comes to the actual copy of it, I usually recommend keeping something short and simple. You don't need to get overcomplicated with this. They've already shown interest in your product. They already said that they liked it. Something just happened in between the add to cart and the purchase process that kept them from actually finalizing that purchase. So I would go with something simple as your cart is waiting, and then add something that aligns with your brand, whether that be something cute, something a little bit more funny, something a little bit more serious. You want it to be a short sentence, maybe a few words long, that just highlights a little bit of what your brand might be about. So if you are selling something like jewelry, you might say your favorite pieces are ready. Something of the nature. It doesn't need to be, obviously this isn't going to be perfect since it's on the spot, but you want something like that. And then when you're building out your headline, you want to do the same. You can go with your cart is waiting as well, and then highlight it with some sort. You can add some sort of emoji to the headline as well. Whatever you think is appropriate. You can either go with something like a little sparkle, a lightning bolt, whatever the case might be, that works a little bit better for your business. In terms of the actual image or video that you want to run, I would recommend you go with something like a collage that showcases all the products that they might be interested in, because although they added that one specific product to cart, it's possible that they see another one from that image that they're interested in and they want to go through with it. So try out, go with a collage, go with a simple image of all your products, whatever works best for you that you think you can create on your own, go ahead and give that a shot. And then when you're having to select the website URL, unless you only sell one product and you are setting them directly to that product, I would recommend you send them to a collections page. So somewhere you have all your products aligned, and the moment that they see it, they can find that specific product that they might have gone after, but also a full list of all the other products that you have available and that are on sale and that might be popular and easy to sell them on. The other thing you can do, and this is entirely dependent on what you choose to do as a business, if you want to incentivize them even further, you can offer them some sort of discount, whether that be 5, 10, 15%, solely for the purpose of getting them a little extra shove, a little extra push to get them to finalize that purchase. Most businesses already have a 10 to 15% discount set up for their clients, whether it be for first-time purchasers or whether it be for anything that you can think of. Businesses usually have wiggle room to offer that 10 to 15%. So I'd recommend you use that, as for a customer, it can really incentivize them to go through with that final purchase. So I hope that was helpful in guiding you on how to actually build out a cart abandoner Facebook ads campaign. I look forward to helping you guys out further, and I want to invite you all to join my Facebook group. It's called E-commerce Scaling Secrets. In this group, we're going to go over how you can start building out your Facebook ad campaigns even further and get the revenue you want for your e-commerce site. Also, this will be coming up soon, but we are going to start offering free Facebook ad strategy sessions. There'll be a link to it below. So I look forward to talking to you guys soon and helping you guys even further on your Facebook ads journey. Take care.